څه وشوه؟
What happened? What happened?
دا واخله.
Take it. Take it.
احتیاط کوه.
Be careful. Be careful.
نور څه هم نه.
Nothing else. Nothing else.
ما ته وګوره.
Look at me.
Look at me. هلته وګوره.
Look there. Look there.
دلته وګوره.
Look here. Look here.
حرکت مه کوه.
Don't move. Don't move.
دا پاک کړه.
Clean it. Clean it.
بیا کوشش وکړه.
Try again. Try again.
هغه څوک دی؟
Who is he?
Who is he? ته څوک یې؟
Who are you? Who are you?
ته چیرته یې؟
Where are you? Where are you?
هغه چیرته دی؟
Where is he? Where is he?
بیا کوشش وکړه.
Try again. Try again.
هیڅ کلم نه.
Never. Never.
زه دلته یم.
I am here. I am here.
هغه هلته دی.
He is there.
He is there. ما ته سبا رایاد کړه.
Remind me tomorrow. Remind me tomorrow.
جنگ مه کوه.
Don't fight. Don't fight.
یخی اوبه مه څښه.
Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water.
ته څه شي پسې ګرځې؟
What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
آیا تاسو مریض یې؟
Are you sick? Are you sick?
ته جواب ولې نه ورکوې؟
Why are you not answering? Why are you not answering?
ته ولې چوپ یې؟
Why are you silent? Why are you silent?
ته اوس څه کوې؟
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
ما مه تنګوه.
Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me.
زه یم.
I am. I am.
زه یو ښوونکی یم.
I am a teacher. I am a teacher.
زه وم.
I was. I was.
زه یو زده کوونکی وم.
I was a student. I was a student.
زه به یم.
I will be. I will be.
زه به یو ډاکټر یم.
I will be a doctor. I will be a doctor.
زه په کور کې یم.
I am at home. I am at home.
زه په مکتب کې وم.
I was at school. I was at school.
زه به په پارک کې یم.
I will be in the park. I will be in the park.
هغه زما ورور دی.
He is my brother. He is my brother.
ناوخته کېږه مه.
Don't be late. Don't be late.
راځه چې ځو.
Let's go. Let's go.
هغه راتللی شو.
He could come. He could come. دا څه شی دی؟
What is this? What is this?
هغه ممکنه ده انګلیسي زده کړي.
He may learn English.
زه انګلیسي ویلی شم.
I can speak English. I can speak English.
زه هیڅکله ناوخته نه راځم.
I never come late. I never come late.
د داسې نور ویډیوز لپاره مونږ در سره لایک او فالو کوئ.